This footage was taken by, I believe, the most underrated drone out there. Pretty nice, right? Must be a super expensive drone, top of the line, brand new. Nope.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it.
Really nice colors. Well done. Must have been this Mavic 3. Nope.
Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken.
Okay, then it was the Air 2S, right? Nope.
So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar.
Actually, all this footage was actually taken by the Mavic Air 2. And I think that is the drone that most people should consider. And there's a couple of reasons why. The colors that come out of that drone when you're shooting with the HDR are fantastic. They're just really good. If you're not interested in color grading and dealing with post-processing, it just does a really nice job. That quad bear sensor is really good for video. If that's what you're looking for, you want an easy out-of-the-box experience, you want something that has both forward and rear obstacle avoidance, then the Mavic Air 2 is probably the drone you want. And actually, you can get one for less than $700 on Amazon. That's a pretty good deal. Or if you want a Fly More combo, you can still get one for less than $900. It's a great deal. I think the Mavic Air 2 is absolutely more capable than the Mini 2. Really, the biggest disadvantage from the Air 2S is the smaller sensor. But if you're not flying at night, not a big deal. Plus, you get that HDR mode, which is just really fantastic. The Mavic Air 2 has a range of 6.2 miles. That's like 10,000 meters. And a flight time of 34 minutes. This drone is no slouch. So if you're looking to get good footage and you don't want to have to deal with post-processing to make it look better, I would definitely consider the Mavic Air 2. Now, I'm going to show you a few more samples of video that Chris got in Croatia with this drone. It's just awesome.
'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the liar. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, harder they fall.
If you want to watch the whole video, we'll leave a link for you up above and in the video description down below. So if you want to deal with the hassle of post-processing, save yourself some time. Take a look at the Mavic Air 2. Definitely an underrated option. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. Tell us what we did wrong so we can do better next time. Make sure you check out halfchrome.com, and we give away a drone once a month to a lucky Patreon subscriber. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.